In today's rapidly evolving technological landscape, collaborative ICT development plays a crucial role in driving innovation and progress. Good day, sir. Good day, everyone. This recorded report aims to delve into the topics of collaborative ICT development, exploring its significance. So, what is collaborative ICT development? Basically, it refers to the process of multiple individuals or organizations working together to create innovative information and communication technology solutions. At this juncture, we will discuss the web portal. So, a web portal is a specially designed website that brings information from diverse sources like emails, online forums, and search engines together in a uniform way. So, usually, web portal has information which gets its dedicated area on the page for displaying features.
So, proceed ta karon sa Yahoo ko. So, Yahoo is a US-based supplier of online services with its headquarters located in Sunnyvale, California. It is run by Yahoo Inc., the corporation that bears its name. Verizon Communication owns 10% of the company, and investment funds managed by Apollo Global Management own 90% of it. So, ang Yahoo Day is example sa web portal which is kanapit ang mga gina-use or need nato para sulod ta or maka-make ta mga Facebook, mga ana. So, need gid na nato natay, di ba, kana kitay kana email, na ba kitay yahoo.com, email.com, mga ana. So, need gid na nato. So, ang next is ang Yammer Trello. So, ang Trello is a collaboration tool that organizes your project into boards. In one glance, Trello tells you what being worked on, whose work on what, and where something is on a process. So, unsa day ang Yammer? So, ang Yammer is a private social network for your company. Yammer brings the power of social networking to your company. So, ang kaniday ang Yammer Trello, unsa pa na Yammer, example of online collaborative tools.
Next is ang Facebook groups. Ang Facebook groups are a place to connect, learn, and share with people who have similar interests. You can create or join a group for anything, stargazing, baking, parenting, with people across the globe or across the street. Groups can be public or private. So kaning Facebook groups it is used to create a group page that will allow people in your group to communicate your ideas. For example is kanang mga online sellers. Na sila yung mga kanang mga Facebook groups which is pwede ka dito ang mag-post sa imong mga baligya para daghay tao nga makakita na imong baligya. And dito dali ra pud ka makabaligya kay lagi daghan kaayong nag-join ana nga labi na daghan nag-join ana nga Facebook groups. And ang kana pud siya is pwede po na siya public or private, which is ang public is dali ra ka maka-join and ang private is dugay ka maka-join labi na kanang kibali pag gusto ka mo join ana mo join group pa ka ana niya naka-try naman gid mo ana no, so mo join group pa ka ana niya nya maghulat pa jud ka ana nga o kano sa ka i-approve sa admin. And yeah, the Facebook groups. Second is next is WordPress. A WordPress is a content management system which is CMS na that allows you to host and build websites. WordPress contains plugin architecture and a template system so you can customize any website to fit your business, blog, portfolio, or online store. Ang WordPress pod is It allows you to multiple contributors for a single blog. WordPress is kuan na siya is popular content na siya, which is ang CMS is a content management system nga nag-allow sa imuha to create o manage sa websites o blogs. Kani pong WordPress is na kuan ni siya na murag nabuhat ni siya is during 2003. Yeah, katong sa ako na research na 2003 daw ni siya na buhat. And a WordPress is a highly customizable, offering thousands of themes and plugins to extend its functionality. Ang themes o plugins ang themes is nag-control na siya sa design o layout sa site. While ang plugins kay nag-add na siya features such as contact forms, SEO, optimization, social media integration, ug more. So, ang WordPress gyud is is a powerful and flexible platform that powers millions of websites worldwide, from small personal blogs to large corporate website. So kaning WordPress is gamit jud ni siya labi na sa una nga wala pay Wattpad, nga sa una diri dira magbasa-basa ba mga blog sa una mga tao. And yeah, that's all. The next one is Google Drive. Ang Google Drive and Microsoft Office Online. So, familiar naman kayo mo aning Google Drive o Microsoft Office Online na. Kaya, syempre, ginagamit yun nato ba sa online class. So, Google Drive is an online cloud storage. MS Word is a word processing application. MS Excel is a spreadsheet application, which is katong gipabuhat ni Sir sa ato ang katong nagamit ang mga formula para makuha na siya nga number. And Google has cloud-based word processing and spreadsheet application called Docs and Sheets. Microsoft has a cloud storage system called OneDrive. So kanang ang Google pod is labi na kanang mga docs o sheets nga ginagamit ba yun na nato sa high labi na if sa teacher kanang mga Excel ginagamit yun na nila, especially magbuhat sila grado. Ang docs pod is magamit na nato sa research. Kay ay dili lang yun sa research labi na magbuhat ta og file nga ipasa nato sa Google Classroom, especially karon nag-online class ta. So kanang Google Drive o Microsoft Office kay gamit gyud na aron sa tuwa kay mao gyud nato ang ginagamit labi na kibali magbuhat ka ay dito ani mo ibutang imuhang kibali mo mga answer sa Microsoft Office. After mo kibali para sa ako is umana ko buhat sa Microsoft Office, gina-upload gyud na nako sa Google Drive para safe ako ang file para dili mawala. O naara dito na pwede ra dito balikan, pwede ra i-edit outro, pwede ra kuhaon maong nindot jud ning Google Drive. O yeah, nakagamit naman gyud pud hinuon mo kay labi na karon nga online class ta og sa ato ang research magamit gyud pud nato ni labi na kanang i-upload na to ato ang Google Drive. Ato ang research, upload na to sa atong Google Drive. And para dili jud mawala ang file. And yeah.
Microsoft Yammer. Microsoft Yammer is a social networking app for organizations where employees can connect with all their coworkers, especially those beyond their immediate team. It offers companies to have their own social network that allows sharing and managing content. It also connects people and information across the organization. Trello. Trello is a web-based Kanban-style list-making application and is developed by Trello Enterprise, a subsidiary of Atlassian. Created in 2011 by Fog Creek Software, it was spun out to form the basis of a separate company in New York City in 2014 and sold to Atlassian in January 2017. It offers an online to-do checklist for your entire team, and Trello is a collaboration tool that organizes your projects into boards.